Good evening, everybody. My name is Ryan Shook, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest, and I've got a great special presentation for you, putting your trading system into action. And we've had a lot of phenomenal feedback and a lot of interest from our subscribers about the trading systems that we demonstrated in the 2025 Las Vegas 2-day investment seminar. Therefore, this evening, I just want to take a simple yet effective approach. That way you can get started and utilize the VectorVest 7 system to take your portfolio to the next level. And the best part, these systems tell you what to buy, when to buy it, and when to sell. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in the VectorVest 7 system and put your trading system into action. Now we're going to start off at the home page of the VectorVest 7 software. We can see the momentum to the upside in the market, seeing some continuation with some green lights in the color guard. So it makes sense why customers are asking about putting these plans into action. To do so, first item we want to do, make our way over to the Viewers tab. Once here, over on the left, we are going to select Trading System Viewer. For the first demonstration, we can simply use the top trading system over the past 1 year, being Hot Stocks portfolio with a 99% gain and 20% loss. Now to put your plan into action, simply what you are going to do, go to Paper Trade in Portfolios. This will bring you two options. The first, you can start with an empty portfolio. The alternative, Follow in Portfolio Manager. For the first item, we're going to select Follow in Portfolio Manager. And we'll select Open Portfolio Now. Now, once we selected that option, it brought us right over to the portfolio section. We can see the existing equity curve as well as the existing positions within this trading system. Now, this option is simply to mirror the existing trading system, not necessarily to start one. And there are several reasons why. The first, you cannot turn off the Genius. There's not even an option to. So you want to be able to place your trades here. So this option is simply to mirror an existing trading system. It's a great way to gain some confidence with an existing trading system. Now, the other option is if you want to actually start your own trading system. So let's simply go back over to the Viewers tab. And this time, when I click on Paper Trade in Portfolios, with this trading system highlighted, to put one of these trading systems into action, to put your plan into action, simply click on Start with an Empty Portfolio. Now, you would give this a name. For this one, I'll just simply put in Ryan Hot Stocks. As far as the initial investment, you want this to represent what allocation you are actually going to put towards this portfolio. For an example, if I wanted to put $10,000 towards this trading system, simply type it in the box. Next is the commission type. For me, there would be no commissions. Now, if you plan on using margin or interest, things of that nature, you can put those items there. Otherwise, select OK. And then select Open Portfolio Now. In this scenario, we're actually seeing buy orders executed on the right-hand side of the screen. This activity log will show you if any orders need to be executed. And in this case, with this trading system utilizing confirmed calls, and we're currently in a confirmed call situation, it is deploying that cash as the trading system intended. So these would be the stocks purchased today, along with the cost per share of these items today, and the performance, the gain or loss per share since getting into these positions. So instead of following an existing trading system, this is how you would put the trading system into action. Simply following any orders that are given in this window. Now, if I make my way... Now, for my second demonstration, if I go back over to the Viewers tab, from the Las Vegas event that we recently did, there's been a lot of interest and discussion on how customers can start the Nitro trading system. So for this example, we're just going to get right into it. I'm going to select Paper Trade in Portfolios up above. Again, if you have any questions about these trading systems and how exactly they operate and the rules they use, you can simply click on Trading System Details. Now let's select Paper Trade in Portfolios. I'm going to start with an empty portfolio. Again, I'm going to change the name. I'm going to put Ryan Nitro. For this example, I would allocate $5,000. No commissions once again with my brokerage. I will not be using margin or interest on this account. I will select OK. Open portfolio now. Now this is a perfect example. As you notice with this trading system, none of the orders are executing right now. And we can see the first item here, 10:51 a.m., end of day automation updated. Automation enabled, right? This is an end of day trading system. Therefore, it is very easy to follow. Now the trading system will let you know whether or not you should be buying stocks at that time or potentially playing to the downside of the market, depending on which trading system you are utilizing. Now, the next item I want to show you is how we can even make this easier for you. Simply click on the tools icon in the top right corner. We'll go to application settings. Once here in the application settings window, you will see several tabs along the top. We're going to select alerts. From here, we can do alerts. So you'll select an empty row. Next, select edit. And this window will appear. And this alert destination window will appear. Up at the top, if you click on the drop down arrow next to email. Now, depending on the individual, some individuals like email, some individuals rather get a text message. Me personally, I'd rather get a text message just because I'm more prone to look at it. And as well, in the world of emails, mine typically can get lost, right? So that being said, just as an example here, I will select text message. You can select your carrier, your phone number. As well, down at the bottom, you have several options. You can send portfolio alerts, order alerts. You can send portfolio summary alerts. And if you have additional VectorVest tools, we do have RoboTrader and Watchdog alerts available. Once you filled out the required information, you would just select OK. And any of those items you checked off will appear here. So if you only want certain alerts in particular, make sure you have the appropriate items checked off. This will only make it so much easier to follow these trading systems on the go, because the last thing we all want to do is be looking at our phones and computers and laptops all the time. So again, VectorVest making it very easy to put these powerful trading systems that we demonstrate in the Las Vegas 2-day event, making it much easier to put your plan into action. Just a reminder, the special offers from the 2025 2-day investment seminar has been extended through October 6th. Make sure you get your orders in by Monday to take advantage of these special offers. Thank you for joining me in tonight's special presentation as I demonstrated how easy it is taking advantage of these automated trading systems and put your plan into action. Now, if you have any questions on what we covered this evening, please do not hesitate to give support a call. Good night.